Discover the sneaky culprits hiding in your diet. Foods sabotaging your weight loss journey unmasked. Stay tuned, stay informed, and take control of your health. Welcome, folks. Discover foods sabotaging your weight loss journey. Unmask hidden calories, deceptive diet destroyers. Knowledge is power. Stay tuned. Are you struggling to lose weight despite eating healthy? Now, that's a question that might resonate with many of us. Picture this: you're doing everything within your power to make healthier choices, swapping out your beloved afternoon candy bar for a handful of almonds, ditching soda for freshly squeezed juice, or trading in your go-to bag of chips for a bowl of granola. But despite these seemingly beneficial choices, the numbers on the scale just refuse to budge. Why is that, you ask? Well, it turns out not all healthy foods are created equal. Some of the foods we've been led to believe are good for us might actually be undermining our weight loss efforts. They sneak into our diets under the guise of nutrition, quietly sabotaging our journey towards a healthier self. So if you're feeling stuck in your weight loss journey, don't despair. Stay tuned as we reveal these unexpected weight loss enemies. Prepare to be surprised as we unveil foods commonly mistaken as healthy. First on our list is the beloved granola. Often seen as the go-to breakfast for health enthusiasts, granola is actually a wolf in sheep's clothing. Though it's packed with oats and nuts, which are good for you, it's also loaded with sugars and oils, escalating its calorie count. That bowl of granola you thought was healthy could be as calorie-dense as a dessert. Next, we have fruit juices. Yes, they come from fruits, but let's not overlook the fact that these drinks are often stripped of fiber and loaded with sugars. In truth, consuming these is more like drinking a sugar-laden soda than eating a piece of fruit. Speaking of sodas, let's talk about diet sodas. They're marketed as zero-calorie drinks, but don't be fooled. They contain artificial sweeteners, which can trick your body into thinking it's consuming real sugar, leading to increased cravings and potential weight gain. Flavored yogurts are another culprit. While yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics, flavored versions are often packed with added sugars. A small serving might contain as much sugar as a candy bar. Salad dressings, especially the low-fat ones, can also be misleading. They may have fewer calories but often compensate by adding more sugar or salt. So that healthy salad you're eating might not be so healthy after all. Lastly, let's not forget about dried fruits. Though they may seem like a convenient and healthy snack, they can be packed with added sugars and preservatives. Plus, the drying process concentrates the natural sugars, making them more calorie-dense than their fresh counterparts. And there you have it. These are just a few examples of foods that may seem healthy, but could be sabotaging your weight loss efforts. It's not about completely eliminating these from your diet, but being aware of what you're really consuming. Now that you know these deceptive foods, let's see how you can make better choices. Let's not leave you hanging. Here are some healthier alternatives. Instead of reaching for that handful of granola, why not try some hearty oatmeal? It's a fantastic source of fiber and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. And those fruit juices? They might seem like a healthy choice, but they're often loaded with added sugars. Opt for whole fruits instead. They offer the same sweet satisfaction plus the added benefit of fiber. Now, diet sodas might promise 0 calories, but they're far from healthful. Quench your thirst with water or herbal tea. These options hydrate without adding unnecessary calories or artificial sweeteners to your diet. And what about flavored yogurts? They're often packed with sugars and artificial flavors. Instead, consider plain Greek yogurt. It's high in protein, low in sugar, and can be sweetened naturally with fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey. Remember, knowledge is power. Use this information to make better food choices and achieve your weight loss goals. In conclusion, not all that glitters is gold. Remember, some foods can be deceiving, appearing healthy, but hiding sugars and fats that can hinder your weight loss journey. It's vital to stay informed about what we consume, focusing on the nutritional content rather than the packaging claims. Opting for healthier alternatives can make a significant difference. Be smart about your choices, and you'll see those pounds drop. Until next time, keep eating smart and living healthy.
Like this video? Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more fun and learning. Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.